In the past days, you've seen me building this secret working space using only IKEA furniture. And now I'm going to show you how I'm created also this little eating nook that can also be your private Luna Park. First of all, yes, the height that I needed for the desk is also the height that I do need as a chair. Because if I don't add this 8 centimeters on the frame that I'm building, the sitting space is not going to be tall enough to eat on the dining. So I'm using the two 38 centimeters Vestas for the bottom and the top. I'm going to add the top only later. But here you see how you're creating this perfect seating space. Now let's start with the pillows. First thing you need to do is cut slices of wood that are exactly the same size of the remaining space that you have on top of your Vesta. Here you see me cutting one. And why do we do this? Because we're going to cover it with foam, and after that, obviously you'll cut it of the right size, and after that we're going to have to cover it with fabric. Because I wanted this to match perfectly my curtains and the rest of the room, I literally used one of IKEA's curtains to create the same fabric on top of the material. Go on and staple it everywhere, and you literally have your first pillow. I'm going to do 4 of this so that I can apply it on the bottom, on the sides, and also on the top of my rectangular. It's actually a square. I'm not almost a square. Anyway, we're putting it on the bottom. First, we add silicone to put it in place, but even though I didn't film it, I did add some screws from the inside of the closet towards the piece of wood so that it would hold it perfectly in place. After that, you see me here putting some molding on the bottom of the frame because I wanted this to be super sleek as if it was custom made into the wall. And that's how I made the sitting area.